أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سنلقي في قلوب الذين كفروا الرعب بما أشركوا بالله ما لم ينزل به سلطانا ومأواهم النار وبئس مثوى الظالمين. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited Surah Aal-i-Imraan Ayat number 151. In this ayat, Allah tells us that the kuffar, the people who make partnership with Allah, so they are the worst people before Allah, and they will get the place in the hell, and Allah will not forgive their sin. This is the greatest sin, and it will not be forgiven by Allah. Even Allah will forgive all the sins of the people, but shirk is the biggest sinful act that will not be forgiven, and the people who do it, they will find their place in the hell, and that is the worst place. And those people, when they are in battle with the people of Iman, and they will find the fear and frightening in their heart from the power of the people of Iman, and they will not be in a position to fight with them because of cowardness, weakness, and also they will have threatening power in their mind from the supremacy of the people of Iman. So Allah will put in their heart the power of victory that will make threat in the hearts of kuffar mushrikeen. So we read this one, we will understand more better inshallah. So Allah said, Sanulki, soon we will place fear fi qulubil lazina. Sanulki, soon we will place fi qulubil lazina, fi in qulub, in the hearts, allazina, in those people, kafaru, who are kuffar, who are infidels, kuffar, roba, robe, fear, threat. Allah said, Sanulki fi qulubil lazina kafaru roba. Soon we will place threat in the hearts of those people who disbelieved. Bima ashraku, because of their shirk, because they were doing shirk. Shirk means partner with Allah. They made partners of Allah. Ma lam ashraku billahi, with Allah. Bima ashraku billah, because of having belief of doing partner with Allah. Ma lam yunazzil, for which they got nothing. Yunazzil mean nothing has been sent down to them. Ma lam yunazzil, nothing has been sent down to them. Bihi, for it, sultana, a proof, a document, or authority. It means they got nothing authority, no any document, no any order, no any command, no any evidence from any book of Allah or any command from Allah. Nothing has been sent down by Allah to them that you have to make partnership with Allah. So they have nothing proof of it, no document, no any evidence. So they are doing themselves this type of sinful act to make partners with Allah. So Allah said, this is the main reason. Because of that, Allah will put in their heart the threat of defeat and destruction in their heart. So, and وَمَاوَاهُمُ النَّارِ, and Mawa mean the place to stay. Nar is the hell or fire. وَمَاوَاهُمُ النَّارِ, and their staying place is the hell. So they have to stay there. They have to refuge there. Wabisa, and it is the bad worse. Maswa is very bad or the worst. Zalimin, and for those oppressor peoples or for those wrongdoers, this is the worst place for them. Wabisa maswa zalimin, and that is disgusting place for life or for living, that life which will be given forever at the day of judgment. So that life which they will spend there. So this place is the worst of all for those people who are oppressors, who are wrongdoers. So we read one time more. Allah said, سَنُلْقِي فِي قُلُوبِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا الرُّعْبَ بِمَا أَشْرَكُوا بِاللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يُنَزِّلْ بِهِ سُلْطَانًا وَمَأْوَاهُمُ النَّارُ وَبِئْسَ مَثْوَى الظَّالِمِينَ. Allah said, soon we will place threat or fear in the hearts of those people who disbelieved. For that they have made partners with Allah. For what? We have not sent down any authority, any document. They will be refuge in the fire, and it is the worst, disgusting living place for the wrongdoers, for oppressors. So if you look in this ayat, Allah tells clearly that those people who are mushrikeen, they will get the worst place. They will get the worst place in the hell, and they will stay forever there. But what they are doing, the shirk, the partners with Allah, they have no any document for that. Allah never sent down any document, any type of certified thing which is you can say a proof where they can find that this is the document where it was written that you have to do the partners with Allah. But Allah never sent down any type of this proof. So this way, why they are doing the shirk then with Allah? Why they are doing the partnership with Allah? Why they have made so many partners of Allah? So why? What is the reason behind when they have got nothing proof for it? So then they must understand that the place for them to live is the hell, and they have to stay there forever because they are the wrongdoers. So this way, if you look this threat or the fear which was produced in the mushrikeen, you can find first proof of it at the time of Battle of Uhud. So at that time, you can see in the Battle of Uhud, when the Quraysh, the people of Quraysh, Abu Sufyan, who was the main commander of the Quraysh army, when they attacked on the Muslims in the place Uhud. So after finishing the battle, when they were going back to Mecca, on the way, Abu Sufyan, he was advised by his other companions, including Khalid bin Walid, that why you are going without finishing all the Muslims. So you have to go back and kill all the Muslims so that we will be satisfied then, and because we will finish all the Muslims who are staying after the battle of Uhud in Medina. So they, with the consultation of all the people who were the main leaders or commanders in his army, Abu Sufyan decided that we should go back to Medina and kill all the people, all the Muslims who are still remaining. So we have to kill them, then we will be back. So when they were deciding this, at that time, Allah put in the heart of Abu Sufyan that you will be defeated and you will find the Allah's special help there with the angels. So that was a threat and fear that have been produced in the heart of Abu Sufyan. So he was not having courage to move forward to Medina. So he became coward and his emotions, ambition became so much weak, and then he tried to escape from it and moved quickly towards Mecca so that he should be saved from the punishment that is possible from Allah's help to the Muslims there. So this way he announced his army people to go back to Mecca as quick as possible. So this was the special type of threat and special type of Allah's fear that has been produced in the heart of Abu Sufyan and other people who were with him. Even one person who met Abu Sufyan, and that person said to him that Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is also coming back to you with his companion, and also in that so many other young people are coming in that one who were not in the battle of Uhud. So they are also coming to fight with you, and you will be unable to fight with them. So it make Abu Sufyan more terrified, and then he decided to leave as quick as possible from there to Mecca. So this way all of his army, they went back to Mecca, and Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when he heard about it that Abu Sufyan, he was thinking to attack Medina, and that this was information that received by Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said the Muslims who were there, even if they were injured or if they were, but they were ready to fight back to the Mushrikeen, and they were ready. So the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, okay, go back to find go back to Quraysh, who the people or the army of Abu Sufyan, and go back to them, follow them. And they followed them up to 8 miles, and that was the place Hamra al-Asad. So that is the place. Up to that they went behind the army of Quraysh, but they don't find anyone there. So because Abu Sufyan and all of his army people, they have gone as quick as possible, so they were not there. So Muslims, with the advice of Holy Prophet ﷺ, they followed him and his army up to 8 miles up to the place Hamra ul Asad, but there was no any mushrikeen or a person from belonging to Abu Sufyan and his army. They found nothing, so this way they came back. So here is we find that in Allah's help comes to the Muslims who are with Iman. You can see this one also, it happened at the time of Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he was caliph. At that time, when Khalid bin Walid and other commanders of Muslims, they went forward to different places, they got victory because many people who were mushrikeen and kuffar, and those people, they left the place, even they hand over the place before them, and Muslim, they got victory because they were unable to fight against the Muslims. So they were having the threat in their heart, the fear in their heart that Muslims, they will kill them and they will have no any place. They would have no any place in the world. So this way they were having threat in their mind. So this was the Allah's special type of terrorship and special type of the threat of defeat that was produced in the hearts of kuffar, mushrikeen and other people who were coming to fight with the Muslim. So this way Muslims, they were fighting against those people and getting the victory, and this happened with the passage of time. And up to the day of judgment, even if the Muslims who are with Iman and doing good deeds, when they will fight against the enemy, they will get really the success in their victory, and in their battle they will get the victory, inshallah. But if they will be on Sirat Mustaqim with strong Iman and with Amal Saleh, so with good deeds, so they will be the winners, inshallah. So the main thing is that because Allah don't like the people who are mushrikeen, so Allah put in their hearts cowardness, weakness and threat, like threat of the Muslims, that they will think that the Muslims, they will destroy them and they will be the victorious. So this way, this is Allah's special power. Allah knows what is in the heart, so Allah can change the emotions, the mind, and everything is under control of Allah, because Allah is ala kulli shayin qadir. So this way Allah said, sanulki fi qulubil lazina kafaru roba. So soon we will place a threat, a fear in the hearts of kuffar, bima ashraku, because they were doing the shirk billahi, with Allah, ma lam yunazzil bihi sultana, for which Allah has not sent down any type of document. Wama wahumun nar, and for them the place to live is the hell, is the fire. Wabesa maswa zalimin, and for these wrongdoer people, these corrupt people, these oppressor people, the place is the worst one, that is the hell. So this way we understand from here that if we try to make our Iman strong and look after our Iman every time and do good deeds, try to get taqwa, and that is the best thing. Taqwa makes you away from all types of bad things. You will get hatred against all types of bad things, evil practices. Even you will get love to do the good things when you have taqwa. So automatically your motivation will be towards the good things and hate from the bad things. And then you will be the favorite person before Allah and will get the love, victory and success in this life and life hereafter. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.